If you need to cancel a pending transaction in Gmail, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly before it completes. Step 1. Open Gmail. Log into your Gmail account using your preferred web browser or mobile app. Make sure you are signed into the account associated with the pending transaction. Step 2. Access the transactions. Navigate to the Payments section. You can find this by clicking on the Google Pay link or searching for payments in the Gmail search bar. This will show you any recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Look for the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly. Click on the transaction to view its details. Step 4. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Google. Additionally, you can revisit the payments section to ensure the transaction status has changed to cancelled. If you follow these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel a pending transaction in Gmail. Always double-check your transaction history to confirm that the cancellation has been processed.